Back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial, more of a detailed one, so keep watching to know how to do your eyebrows. To start off, I'm going to use this spoolie brush. It has a spoolie on one end and an angled brush on the other end, because basically the things you need is this for brushing off your eyebrows, an eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the Davis number 3. Your concealers. Leading the eyebrows is what makes the eyebrows basically look nice. Yeah, so let's get to it. So I'm going to start off by brushing my eyebrows, as you can see. So just brush the eyebrows upwards like that, and then make sure your pencil is sharpened. Don't use a blunt pencil. And then notice where I'm holding it from, at the end, at the top, so that this is going to help to prevent me from drawing very thick lines, because you want your eyebrows to look very natural. So hold your pencil from the top, then you start by lining from where your eyebrows start, very gently. So the next thing is when you're lining the top part, don't start from here at the beginning. Start a little further away from the beginning to help achieve the natural look, the faded look at the front. So just lining, following my natural lash, the hairs, following my natural hair, the hairs of my eyebrows. And also to know where your arc is, because everybody has different shapes, and to know where your eyebrow starts, I normally like take you measure like this, where this point of the eye is where your eyebrow should begin. So you see, like this. Then your arc is, what is this black thing called? The pupil. Where it is, at the end of it is where your eyebrow arc is, and then your eyebrow ends at this point. Yeah. So I've lined the top part also. Now I'm going to start filling in from the end, this end. So I just fill it in gently. Don't use very dark strokes, so just gently. And then your eyebrow should end with a very sharp line at the end, so observe that also. And then the front part, remember these lines are not like parallel, they are not starting off at the same point. So at this point, use very, like, the most gentle strokes you can, like this. Just draw very light strokes upward. And you continue to fill the rest of the eyebrow. So the next thing is you take your spoolie brush again, and if you don't have a spoolie brush, you can totally use an old mascara wand. You just wash it and use it. So I love using this to comb my brows, and I think it had lipstick on and I had not washed it, so I'm gonna wipe that. So now that I have filled my eyebrow, I'm now going to use my concealer, and the best concealer I can recommend Number 3 are the ones that are mostly going to work, yeah, for someone my shade. But yeah, you can totally, most dark brown pencils look good on African skin. So thank you so much for watching. So subscribe, remember to subscribe to my channel, yeah, and like this video, share it with your friends, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.